Hello everyone, welcome to Priyankainkitchen. Today we are making Meethi mirchi. For that I took red chilies. If you don't have red chili, you can use green chilies too. Now cut this into thin slices. Now take pan, heat oil in it. Now add cumin seeds, hing, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Add some water. Now add dry methi in it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now cover the lid. If you think the water is reduced, add some more water in it. Now add coriander powder, salt, some amchur. Mix it properly. Now add red chilies in it. Mix it properly. Now again cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes in a very low flame. Now add some sugar. Mix it. Now again cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 minutes. When it is done, you can preserve it for 5 to 7 days. And don't forget to keep it in a refrigerator. You can enjoy it with a roti or a rice.